Homeostasis. Homo, similar. What similar? Internal environment. Generally, two important environments are present in the animal. That is external environment, internal environment. So, external environment means outside of the animal body containing environment is called as external environment. For example, in our body, around our body, water, like aquatic animals out there, water is the environment. So terrestrial animals out there, air is the surrounding environment. So light, temperature, humidity, air, they are present around the animal body. They are called generally external environment. So internal environment means within the body. So containing environment we are described as internal environment. So when you are any animal, they can fight against the external environment along with internal environment. So internal discipline is not takes place, animal cannot exist. So that's why internal environment is very important. Homeostasis means internal environment, discipline, internal discipline, homeo. So body concentration, that is the iron concentration in the animal body, pH concentration in the blood circulatory system, so heart beating regularity, so kidney regularly functioning. So these are all internal environment. So that's why the internal environment, internal glucose level, temperature level. So glucose always constant glucose level maintaining in the blood circulatory system. So blood also always pH also very regular, constant pH maintaining in the body fluid. So body temperature, especially in homeothermic animal, body temperature always constant maintaining. So these are internal environment. That's why. So how much importance is their external environment? More than that one, internal environment is very important. The internal environment constantly is described as the homeostasis. Homeostasis means internal environment, how we want to regulate it. So the regulation of internal environment, similar regulation, constant regulation of environment, internal environment described as homeostasis. So when the internal environment disturbed, animal cannot exist. So different kind of actions rate inside of the animal body. So numerous uncountable reactions are takes place. So if the internal regulation is disturbed, so the regulation of the chemical reactions also fluctuations are takes place. At that condition, animals cannot survive. So that's why internal environment is very important. Last class discussed about the glucose level, glucose maintaining. So generally already you know. So in the fitness containing human being generally 90 to 100 mg per 100 ml of blood. So that's why this is the constant maintaining always. More than that, less than that, abnormal conditions are takes place. So that's why always the bring, which is the bring, glucagon and hormones can able to bring the normal blood glucose level. This is called as homeostasis of blood glucose level. Similar fashion, the other topic is also there, especially osmosis. So it is present in a more in aquatic animal. So osmosis, what is osmosis? Osmosis is related to water. Water molecule movement from here to there to here, whatever it may be, that we are described as homeostasis. So generally, for example, marine animal. So some animals are you know already aquatic, two different kind of aquatic media are there. Marine aquatic media, freshwater aquatic media. These are two important media. So almost all when you are compared to the terrestrial animal, so aquatic animal number is more than terrestrial animal. That's why aquatic media also very important. 300 times more animals are present in the aquatic media, not in terrestrial. Terrestrial media is very simple habitat. So that's why when you are compared to the terrestrial media, aquatic media is more there. So on that basis, solidly dissolved in the water media. So aquatic water media. So let's make two main process. One is marine water, other is the fresh water. So now observe the marine water. Marine water means marine water generally what when you have more concentration present outside of the marine water. So in the marine water, salinity is more than when we are compared to the animal fluid. So this is animal marine water containing animal. Inside of the animal body, different kind of fluid fluids are there. When we are compared to the environment, marine water concentration. So when we are compared to marine water concentration more than the aquatic animal containing body fluid concentration. So that's why osmosis means generally the water molecule movement from lower concentration to higher concentration. From lower to higher concentration. So this kind of movement, transmission we are described as osmosis. So now observe here. So this is a marine water media. In this marine water media, a simple marine animals are living. So this is the environment marine water. So when we are compared to the marine water is more than concentration more than when we are compared to the marine water animal with body fluids. So that's why this is the less concentration, this is the more concentration. What is osmosis? The water molecule movement from less concentration to more concentration. So that's why always marine animal body fluids containing water can always come into the surrounding area. It mixes with the marine water. So this process continuously going on. If this process continuously going on, animal cannot live, animal can able to die. So that's why what happened here, in that problem overlooking the animal which are living in the marine water, so always when the water is losing, continuously water is losing, animal can die. So the water is losing, what happened through the mouth, water is more drinking, but animal is living in the water media, the animal can face water problem, more water scarcity problems out there, but they are living in water media. So what kind of situation through the osmosis, always the animal fluid containing water is come outside of the environment, so water is losing. So when the water is losing, automatically what happens, surrounding more water there, that water can able to drink. Through this process continuously going on, losing, gaining, at the time what happens, they can able to attain normal water length always in the aquatic animal. So that's why present in the water media, but they are facing more problem. So for this purpose, so when the water is entering always, when the water is entering, what is chlorine glands are there? Chlorine glands, rectal glands, chlorine glands, rectal glands, salt gland. So through these three important, salt always along with water, salt are into the animal body. The excess salt collecting through the salt gland and elevation through the salt gland. The chlorine glands also present in some here and there, some especially aquatic animal, marine animal. The chlorine glands also what happens? Chlorine is collecting and sent outside the animal body. Rectal glands, the excess salts are there, they can able to collect and send outside the animal body. Like that. So salt glands, chlorine gland, rectal glands also collecting the excess salt material and sent outside the animal body. So when that is drinking more water, along with water, what happens? A numerous uncountable more salinity containing marine water is there. That's why along with water, what happens? Different kind of chemicals are occurring. The chemicals are collecting and sent outside the three glands. Through that purpose, always animal is losing the water, gaining the water, losing the water, gaining the water. They can able to continuous survival in aquatic media, especially marine water. Some important, especially for example, elasmobranchia fishes, elasmobranchia fishes, or cartilaginous fishes. They are also called as cartilaginous fishes. Cartilaginous fishes. So these elasmobranchia fishes or cartilaginous fishes, homostasis maintaining. Homostasis means, especially in elasmobranchia fishes, so urine is excreted. The urine, excretory urine is stored in the different kind of blood level. When the urine is stored in the blood level, what happens here? The body fluid concentration is increased till up to the surrounding media, marine water, containing water. Both when they are both equal attain, automatically water losing, water gaining is not excessive. It is thermoconformer. Thermoregulator, sorry, not. Thermoregulator, they are salt conforming surrounding area. So they are especially in elasmobranchia fishes. What on this purpose, escape purpose, especially urine, external nitrogen based external product, eliminating without they can able to store in the blood, circulatory blood fluid. So when it is storing, both surrounding media concentration, when we are attaining equal to the body fluid concentration, both are equal presentation, is equally maintaining. So at the time where both concentration are equal, inside outside what happens? Water cannot exist, water cannot enter. So like that, some animals can able to escape it. So like that they can able to osmoregulation is takes place in especially marine water animal. Water is more out there, but they can able to face the water problem. Similarly, freshwater animal. What is the freshwater? freshwater media, this is the freshwater media. Outside containing environment is less concentration when we are compared to the freshwater animal body fluid. Freshwater animal containing boiler fluids, more concentration is there. When we are compared to the surrounding media, what happened? Less concentration of the aquatic media is there. So that's why what is osmosis? What is the name of central theme of the osmosis? Water molecule movement from lower concentration to higher concentration. So now listen here. What is this? What is this? This is the from lower. This is the aquatic and freshwater media. So this is the animal body fluid. What is the osmosis? The water column movement from lower to higher. This is the lower concentration. So then lower concentration to higher concentration water molecules can able to enter in continuation. So this process takes place continuously. What happen here? The body fluids also dilution is takes place. At that time also internal environment disturbed, so they can able to not properly survive. They can able to not lead proper life. The liquid, fluid, normal concentration when disturbed through this exoosmosis. Exoosmosis or endoosmosis? Endoosmosis. The body fluids also dilution is taken. For this problem overlooking purpose, so what happened? The aquatic, especially freshwater aquatic animals, the glomerulus is more developed. What is the main glomerulus? Glomerulus as well as the Henle lobe. Henle lobe is the water reabsorption is takes place in the present nephron. So nephrons are more developed, especially water absorption so more takes place. More urine is also sending continuously. Entering, sending, entering. When it enter water collected to the nephrons, then sending outside the animal body. So like that they can able to overlooking this problem. What is osmosis? Is the central thing. Osmoregulation, water molecule regulation. So they are both are in the water media only. Marine also facing problem. Freshwater also face problem. They problem automatically they can survival purpose escaping in different fashion in different animal. So this is especially through that whatever they can able to attain the homeostasis, internal environment regulating the body fluid concentration of normal regulating physiological functions also takes place. So like that automatically so animal can be able to survive properly. So this is the homeostasis secondary example of osmoregulation in freshwater as well as marine water. That's the